group of people, but to everyone. It says to all people. Good news to all people. And what is the good news? Good news about a Savior. Okay, what kind of Savior the angel is talking about? And when we go back to Matthew chapter 1 verse 21, it says that Jesus will be born to save men from their sin. So He is a Savior of sin. Okay? He is going to save us, deliver us from sin. You know what is sin, right? The best example is disobedience. Your teacher will say, study, and your mind will be somewhere else. Right? You will not study. Your teachers will say, no, you have to sit quietly, but you won't be sitting quietly, right? That is disobedience. That is sin. Okay? So God sent His Son Jesus to save us from sin. Okay? So this is the good news, not only to us, but to everyone, no matter who we are. Okay?